In this video, we will discuss different problem statements that we have to convert into the C language programming terms. One of them is swapping of two variables without use of the third variable. Basically, swapping has the meaning behind it, that is the interchange. What it means? Swapping is nothing but interchanging the values of two terms. For example, we are having A as a 10, B as a 20. After performing the interchange function, the answer will be like A will be 20 and B will be 10. After seeing, we can convert it easily by our open eye. Means A become like this and B become like this. But actual our task is that how to convert it into different values with the help of the programming statements. So for that we will start with C language program and try to convert this problem statement into a program. Like we all know that every C language program starts with a header file, that is hash include stdio.h. Okay, hash include stdio.h. Now, after that, our program statement or our program logic starts with the one of the main section, that is the void main. Now, as we all knows that for interchanging the two variables, we have to accept these two variables from user or initialize it in our program by ourselves. So we will take one example, that is, for example, we will initialize two variables, that is integer a equals to 5 and integer b equals to 2. This is the two values we are declared to interchange. Now, as this is the program for swapping of two variables, we can directly answer like after interchanging a becomes 2 and b becomes 5. But this is not actually, because we don't have to use the third variable. After accomplishing this without use of third variable, we will cover the problem of using the third variable. So first of all, we will go by the plain logic. Firstly, we will print the values of these two variables, means before interchange. Okay, a equals to percent %d, b equals to percent %d, and we will write these values. Okay, so these values are displayed to user that these are values before interchanging. Now we will apply some steps or some logical statements to interchange these values. I will write one step and give the explanation like, for example, when you have to interchange A to B and B to A, we can perform like A equals to A plus B. What this statement actually accomplish a task, that is A is having the 5 value, B is having the 2. For example, 5 plus 2 becomes 7, means our new A become the 7. Now we will perform value like B equals to A minus B. B equals to A minus B means actually what it does. Before this swapping, before this transaction, A was 5. But after accomplishing this task, A becomes 7. Now we will take this 7 and B was the original, means B was 2. Now B equals to A minus B, that is 7 minus 2, that is 5. Actually, we had accomplished our half task, that is we had transferred this A's value to B. Now the task remains, that is we have to only transfer the value of B to A. Now for that we will accomplish like, now A equals to A minus B. A equals to A minus B means what? Now our A was 7. Then here 7 minus new B was 5. Now we will convert these like 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Now our 2 means A becomes the 2. By performing these much steps means only 3 steps will give us the answer of interchanging the values of two variables. And lastly we will print the answer like printf after interchanging, and we will print A equals to percent D, B equals to percent D, A comma B. Now, after running this whole program, our values will be changed like A equals to 5 and B equals to 2 was the previous values. But after interchanging, these values become A equals to 2 and B equals to 5. So, this is the plain logic of converting, swapping of two variables without use of the third variable. Now, I will cover the same program with the mechanism that is two variables with use of third. Means this is the much more tedious task. Means you have to apply some this much logic part, and this may become a difficult. But with the help of a third variable, it is a much more simpler task. How we will use the third variable? Means like this AB, we have to accept another variable. Means for example, this is A, this is B. We have to accept one variable. We will give a meaningful name to it, that is the temp. Temp is nothing but the temporary purpose variable. How this variable perform the actions? That is, for example, A is 10, B equals to 20. Now, we will perform like 10. Okay, I will give some steps. Temp equals to A. Okay, now temp equals to A means this A's value is copies to temp. Okay, now we will apply action like B equals to A equals to B. Okay, now this B is shifted to A. Okay, now this also become empty, means here 20 is transferred, and now we will apply like B equals to 10. Now this temporary value will be shifted to B, means this A become B and B becomes A. So we will apply this in programming terms like we will cover we will accept two values, that is A, B, and one variable that is known as a temp. Now we will accept these values from user, that is enter two numbers, scan it, %d, %d, ampersand A, ampersand B. Now apply these much steps here. So we can also print message like before swapping. Okay, and we will print like A equals to %d, B equals to %d, A comma B. Now we will apply the transforming terms, that is we will take moves like temp equals to A equals to B, and B equals to temp. Performing this much logic, we will transfer the values or interchange the values of two variables with the help of a third variable. So after interchanging, we will print again A equals to %d, B equals to %d, A comma B. So these are the two programs which will gives us the flow of how to convert values of one variable into another with the help of third variable and without the help of a third variable. So this is all about the interchanging mechanism. Thank you so much.